Yo guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to turn your mats from this to this. All you're going to need is a Hoover dirty mat. You can either use some carpet detergent mixed with water. I'm going to use Fairy Liquid for this video, Fairy Liquid and water, and a brush, any brush. I got this one from Poundland. You want to start by hoovering it.
That's why we shine. That's why we shine. That's why we shine. That's why we shine. Rockin' down.
Now that you've got it all clean, just brush it in one direction, like that, so that you'll get a better result at the end. As I said, I'm going to use Fairy Liquid, so just want to spray it lightly all over, get it nice and wet, spray the brush a little bit, and now apply quite a bit of pressure in one direction and the other way, and repeat. Like that. This is how it should look when it's wet. It'll look much better when dry, but you just gotta give it time. That's what the mat should look like. Ignore the mess on the sides. I'm about to hoover the car out, but there you go. There's the stripes.
Got these bitches on my line.